becoming a lawyer was the fulfillment of a dream that I actually borrowed from my father. When I was coming out of high school, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do with my life. I was on my way to college, but I really didn't know what path I wanted to choose. It was actually my dad that suggested that I give some thought to a career in the law. And at that point, he then shared with me that that was a passion of his whole life. He always wanted to become a lawyer. In fact, he applied to law school, was accepted to Catholic University Law School. And at that point, and I think I'm 18 years old at this point, was the first time my dad showed me the letter of acceptance that he had received from Catholic University Law School, which is actually the school that I actually went to some 30 years later and obtained my law degree. And my dad's dream of becoming a lawyer just kind of got sidetracked, if you will, because when he came out of college, he enlisted in the service. And when he came out of the service, his intention was to go on to law school, but in the meantime, he met my mom and fell in love with my mom, and they began to live one of the greatest love stories of all time. They were married for 58 years and had 8 children. I'm the 5th of 8. And with a child coming every other year, my dad really didn't have the ability to take 3 years out of his life and go to law school. In fact, he wound up working 3 jobs at a time just to provide for his family. So when I heard that story, I just thought it seemed right to go to law school and become a lawyer and help my dad fulfill his dream. Somewhere along the way, his dream became mine, because the more I studied the law, the more I fell in love with it. And I am just so grateful every day for the inspiration that my dad provided, and that the sacrifices my mom and dad made for me helped me become a lawyer and help people every day.